Lesson 7-6, dividing a decimal by a whole number. So there are some steps that we are going to follow when we are dividing a decimal by a whole number. Step 1, you need to write the decimal point in the quotient directly above the decimal point in the dividend. And so we'll see what that looks like here. So for example, if you had $42.45 divided by 3, the dividend is your 42.45. So in the quotient, which is the answer to a division problem, they want you to take the decimal point and go directly up and put it right up top. Then you divide, just like you would if you were dividing two whole numbers, and then use multiplication to check. And we'll do a few examples throughout the video. So let's take a look at that example. The $42.45 divided by 3. So my decimal point comes straight up. I figure out how many times 3 can go into each number. So this would be 1 with 12 left over. And then 3 can go into 12 4 times with nothing left over. So you bring down the 4. 3 can go into 4 1 time with 1 left over and bring down the 5. And 3 can go into 15 5 times. So you see your answer is now 14.5. Now we use multiplication to check our answer. So we do 14.15 times 3. And 5 times 3 is 15. You carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. You carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And we know the rules with decimals. In multiplying, you move the decimal the number of places behind the decimal point. So my answer is 42.45. which is the original number that we got. So that means that our answer of 1415 is true and it checks out. Pause the video to try the examples below. So for the first example, you want to bring your decimal point straight up and then figure out how many times 3 goes into 54.42. And I've gone ahead and done this, and it comes out to 1814 with my decimal in the middle. So then you can check it by multiplying by 3, and you should get your 54.42. Then for the next example, you have 1832 divided by 2. You move the decimal point straight up and you should get 916. And then when you check, you do 9.16 times 2 and you should get your 1832. So that means that that's your correct answer is the 9.16. Pause the video to complete the lesson review. Make sure you show me this lesson review for verification of watching this video.